Good morning everybody, it's Matt here with Travel Tucker coming to you from Chiang Mai in Thailand, and today we're going to learn how to cook Thai food. Well, good morning. It's bright and early on a Saturday morning and going on a little bit of an adventure this morning. We are heading off to a cooking school outside of Chiang Mai, and I've arranged this with my accommodation, and we're heading out to a farm.
Okay, they sell everything in like traditional way with their blocks. Okay, so we have a specific area for specifying anything like fresh vegetable, dry seasonings, dry herbs. Okay, fresh meat inside right there, and desserts and fruits, so many things. Okay, so in cooking school we have stir fries for you to learn, soups, curry paste to learn, curry, and desserts. Okay, so those kind of ingredients, we have everything in here. Let's start with Thai chili. Okay, Thai chili right there. We actually have different sizes in Thai. Okay, but the smallest one are considered as spiciest chilies. Okay, so these are called burnt ice chili. Okay. So the bigger it gets, the less spicier it gets. Okay? So the smallest one, the spiciest, is called burnt ice chili, and we use that in most of the dishes, unless if you like spicy. Yeah. And we also have different kinds of mushroom. This is one of the mushroom. We call it ear mushroom. It tastes jellyish and a bit soft, and it's a fresh one. So we're gonna use that in chicken cashew nuts. Okay, and we also have different kinds of basil in Thailand. This is one, we call it lemon basil. Okay, smell a bit limey. We use that to garnish salads. And this is sweet basil, which we use to leave it for green curry. The package, they have 4 kinds of herbs. Okay, turmeric, kaffir lime leaf, which is the green one, the one right here. Okay, and galangal and lemongrass. These are called soup set because we use that in mostly soups. Okay, and they are Thai herbs too, really good for your body. Okay, we're gonna use that in cooking school. In cooking school, you're gonna learn how to make curry paste by yourself, and I want you to make a curry paste like this, fine. Okay?
Okay.
Remember this.
It's a fantastic opportunity to see a genuine Thai market working that doesn't have anything to do with tourism. And there's some amazing stuff in here, beautiful fresh produce, and also some incredible food. We've got pig's ears and pig's tongues, we've got curries. It looks really delicious. And of course, you know that I can't resist a chance to have a bit of a snack while I'm here, so grab myself a bit of the local Lana sausage while I'm wandering around. Oh, that's fantastic. That's a lot more subtle than the other sai'ua I've had. Not as strong on the lemongrass. Really intense pork flavour. That's fantastic. It's more meaty as well. Not as much fat content. Oh, that's delicious. Alright, let's keep going. And we just got to the train station on time, and so we're rushing to get our train.
Wow, that was quick.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Well, here we are at Passau. Where we're visiting a farm today and having a look around the local village. Good times. Okay, so it's been a few years since I've been on a bike, but hey, what the heck, let's give it a go. Lovely day for a ride in the Thailand countryside. Man, I'm a poet, didn't even know it. This is a fantastic way to see the real Thailand, just on a bike, quietly riding through back streets of the villages. Awesome. Well, that was pretty cool. And here we are.
So as we are going to cook two dishes, we're gonna cut the ingredients and prepare the seasoning first. Okay? So as I've told you, cooking is not just about cooking, it's also about preparation and knowing the ingredients. Okay? You have known some of the ingredients in the market. Okay? And I've got more to explain you. Okay? Cutting board. You don't need all of them. You just cut about half, or like you want to keep the top a bit long. Just cut it like this, okay? And for the rest, you just wanna bang it like this. Yeah, chop. Really separate them. Alright, so you small inch. No. Okay, so it's alright. I want to do. So the way I will hold, 2 fingers will go here. So oyster sauce is pretty important for every stir fries, okay? But for those who are vegan, we have this mushroom sauce to replace with, okay? So please, first, this one, fish sauce first. No, what you guys? Okay. It's for stir fries. Also for brown sugar. As I have told you, this is different types of sugar. I have brown sugar in my hand. Okay. It's slightly different direction. Yeah.
Wow, that's incredibly fragrant already. The smell of the kaffir lime and the lemongrass is fantastic.
Cut chicken. Okay, please cut the chicken into. Cut chicken in 2 pieces in the market. So we have it a lot, and we use that especially for tom yum. Actually, we can use that for a couple of dishes in Thailand, like stir fries and curry paste and what else? Chili paste. Okay. There you go. For tom yum soup, yeah?
It smells amazing.
Okay. Please use 1 full spoon of fish sauce for everyone. You can tilt the jar a little bit to get a full spoon. I mean, this full, okay? There you go. Yeah. All of it. Once we just add, you've got those basil leaves, put it in now. And this is sweet basil. So only beans and a sweet basil. Only for those chicken noodle soup, yeah?
A little bit on the sweet side. I might put a little bit more fish sauce.
And we've got chili powder for you. You like chili?
Fish sauce and a bit of lime in that.
Yeah, but we use
So
the
good.
dry ones too. You're gonna leave out the sauce, the whole set. Put this in here. All right. So,
Yeah, that's the stuff.
to your table.
But you've seen how it's made and you've seen what's in it, so let's get into it. Oh wow. Note to self, don't breathe while you're actually trying to drink your soup. Oh, that's beautiful.
And the ginger. Someone want the cup of water?
That's really good. Alright, let's get a bit of the tomato, a bit of the shrimp there, a bit of the soup. Oh, that's excellent. Mum made the best tom yum I've ever had. And I made it. Okay, so it's time to wok and wow.
It's okay, it's okay. You got it. Let's say this much. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay.
Put it down and go.
If you want that, I put the egg in.
I wish you could smell this. It just smells fantastic. And so much fun.
That's one side first. Ooh. แก้วโคข้าวนะครับโอเคครับ
And in goes the holy basil. Look at the colour. That's beautiful. So if you've ever wondered how they slice the green papaya, this is how it's done. Basically it's a potato peeler. Five cloves of garlic.
Well, I made one full spoon in the water. Tamarind sauce. Yeah. Tamarind, the sour one, you can have a taste. For appetizers, scoop 1 spoon. When I say 1 spoon, I mean this much. In the mortar, and just press it a bit hard. Who are done, you have the spoon for each, and you have a pistol. Okay? No more? Okay, how many more do you need?
Okay, so you've seen how we made the stir-fried chicken with holy basil and how we made a green papaya salad, a som tam, and that's see how it looks. Let's try and get a bit of everything here. Smells amazing. That's fantastic. I could probably make that a little bit sweeter. It's a little bit on the tart side, but it's so good. It really is good. That's a good mouthful of that. That was fantastic. Really, really good.
Masama is an Indian fusion curry, Indian Thai. So as Indian people like to use a lot of spices in the curry, we add more spices in the masama too because it's Indian fusion, right? So please cook 1/3 of the cumin, half spoon of coriander. Like when I say half spoon, I mean this much, not really half spoon. All right, a bit less than half spoon. Okay. And then 6 corn of peppercorn. Okay? Right here. Okay, you're gonna take the stem out, or take the skin out, take the seed, put it in that curry.
Okay, for shrimp paste. Oh. Wow. Whew. Okay.
Look at the metal bowl. You have 7 kinds of herbs in command for everyone. Okay? You have garlic, shallot, lemongrass, galangal, turmeric, which is the yellow piece, and you have kaffir lime skin, the green piece, and you have the white piece, which is like a coriander root. This is coriander root, okay? And what else you have? Yeah. Okay. And you got this onion on the top. Let's chop them off, okay? Just chop, and put them on the top, okay? Top. Okay, turn the stoves on. Yeah, keep it high.
Okay, so one of the hazards of trying to film this and cook at the same time is that sometimes you're not got your full concentration on both. And when I put my spice paste into the pan, I sort of dropped it in and spilled a bit of hot oil on my leg. That stings a little bit, and sort of between that and trying to film, I also managed to burn my curry paste a little bit, so we'll see how it turns out. It smells pretty good, but you know, I may have stuffed it up.
Chiang Mai? One time. Okay.
Okay, so the moment of truth to see if my possibly burned massaman curry stacks up. It does look really good.
Rice
It's
together
a
with curry. Okay?
bay leaf and there's chicken and potato there, so let's give it a shot.
You also fine, but if you want rice, why not?
That's pretty good actually. Yeah. It's a nice sweet massaman curry. Just really hot. If it was me, I might up the saltiness a little bit. But otherwise, really delicious. Note to self, don't eat the cardamom pods. Whew.
Curry here. Put it one side. Up. Up. Limit. Selama hat. Look ลูกค้ากำลังทำ spring roll อยู่ครับเดี๋ยวต้องผัด put it in the spring roll. This soybean sauce, you put it right in this one. I'll just roll it. Roll it down till the end. Like this. You want to cut down. You do about 8 pieces. Too late?
That rice paper is really sticky and glutinous. Of course you can just mix up whatever you want, put in them, pretty straightforward and simple. The diced omelette in there actually really mucks
We
up.
still have mango sticky rice to do. So I just hand out one sheet for everyone. If you think you can handle mango sticky rice and one more, you can take one more and do it. We're gonna put about, let's say approximately 100 milliliter of water, okay? Put the flowers in, just like that. Gently. Up and turn it down. Okay, keep squashing, keep squashing. Alright, coconut milk. Wow. Okay, sugar. 1, 2, and 5. A pinch of salt right there. So about the sticky rice, you might wonder how we get this. So take the coconut milk, pour it on the top just to break it easy.
Well, I've had a few mango sticky rices this week, but never a blue sticky rice. And the little crispies on top I've discovered are actually mung bean sprouts. Let's try a bit of this blue rice. I'm getting pretty full though. It's been a great day of eating. Yeah, that's the stuff. It's got that sweetness from the coconut milk, then that saltiness as well, which is so cool. And of course, with the mango. It's a thing of beauty. It really is. Been a good day. Well, it's been a fantastic day of cooking here with Finn and his amazing Thai cooking. What do you call it again?
Smart cook.
Smart cook.
Look at this.
Thai cookery. There it is. There you go. Just want to thank him very much for having us today. It's been an awesome experience. Thank you very much. Take care.
Been a great day.
Yeah, it's been good. Well, that was an epic day, learning all about Thai cooking. And if you come to Chiang Mai, you're in Bangkok, I really recommend, if you like Thai food, get on one of these trips. I can highly recommend it. I'll leave the details below. Massive thank you to Finn for a fantastic day. I'm in the old city now, just headed through the East Gate, Taipei Gate, and then I meander my way down to the Saturday walking market, or the Saturday walking street. Unfortunately, I think I've killed the batteries on both of the batteries on this camera, so I may have to switch to the iPhone for the evening. But so be it. It's been a good day. So my regular camera has given up the ghost from today with all of the cooking class videos. But as you can see, I am at the South Gate, the Chiang Mai Gate, and we're about to have a bit of an investigation of the Saturday night market, the walking street here. So join me as we jump in and see what's on offer. I don't mind telling you, this place smells incredible, and I may have been cooking and eating all day, but my stomach is starting to rumble and the juices are starting to flow. Oh boy. Take it one step off the road and you're in deep fried skin heaven. Acres and acres of pork crackling and crispy skin. Oh! Not gonna lie to you, this place is absolutely pumping. So much delicious food. I don't know where to start. I guess I've had a bit of a look around and decided to stop at this amazing grilled meat store. And that pork belly spare rib is just absolutely calling my name. Okay, so let's grab ourselves a bit here. Let's not get too carried away just to start with. Yeah, one will do. Here we go. Bit of a bone. Oh, so good. It's juicy, tender, a little bit of a crust on the skin. Absolutely delicious, and a great snack to start the evening off. Must have more. Look at that. Yum. Wow. It's just so simple. You know, it's pork that's grilled. Maybe a little brushing of some soy. That's it. Oh. Bone. Delicious. If you want to find the start of the Saturday walking street, you've got to look for a very stressed out sounding traffic policeman. You can see in the background there. He's having a good old time. And look for Nunu Nini's Cafe, and that is your entrance point. Alright, let's go. I guess in a lot of ways the Saturday walking street is a little bit like the night bazaar. However, of course, it's purely a walking street. It's not just a shared space with traffic, which makes it a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more comfortable place to visit. And there are plenty of stalls to attract the most hardened shopper. And I don't mind telling you, I'm feeling a little bit claustrophobic. It's packed in here. Seriously, shoulder to shoulder. Mate, I'm not going to lie to you, I haven't seen a crowd like this since the last footy match I've been to. Seriously, this is crazy. It's really standing room only, and there's a lot of really pushy people, not going to lie. Wow. This place, it's crazy town. I grabbed myself a skewer of chicken livers. Oh, they're a bit crispy. They're lovely dense liver consistency, but they're really good. Yeah, I'll rate that. Yeah, if you like your foie gras and your pate, you get right into this. That's good. Lovely bit of char and a bit of crispiness. Delicious. Let's keep walking. I'm starting to wonder if this was a good idea. This is crazy. So, onward we go. So yeah, I'm going to jump. I'm going to try a chicken gizzard. This could end very, very badly for me. Okay, so this is a chicken gizzard. Don't mind telling you, I'm a little bit afraid. But hey, nothing ventured, nothing gained, right? It doesn't taste awful, it doesn't taste bad. The texture is really funky. It's almost like cartilage. It's a cross between meat and cartilage. It's really quite, there's a chewiness and I don't know, a snap to it. It's not quite right. The actual flavour is really good. Just tastes like chicken, mate. There you go, chicken gizzards.
I like
for 10 baht, what can go wrong? Thought I'd better duck out of all the chaos for a little bit. Feet are starting to get a bit sore from all the walking in the last few days. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to get a foot massage for about 80 baht, which sounds like a pretty good deal to me. That is so good. Just what the doctor ordered. Well folks, there you have it. I'm nearly at the end of the Chiang Mai walking street, and apologies for the quality of the video at the end of the day. As I said, I did run out of battery on my regular camera and had to resort to the iPhone. Not bad though. So as I said, reaching the end of the walking street, and I think reaching the end of this video, I really hope that it's given you some ideas about what you can do when you're in Chiang Mai, whether it's taking a cooking class or coming to the Saturday night walking street. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. I would really appreciate it, and of course feel free to leave a comment below and support the channel any way you can. Would really appreciate it. But I'm going to leave it there for this evening. It's good night from Chiang Mai, and see you later from me, guys. Bye.